Today, I will explain this problem in English. I did in Japanese several weeks ago, but today I will explain this same problem in English. This problem is about quadratic equation. This is an unusual case because coefficients include imaginary numbers, and the problem requires this equation has only one imaginary solution. Multiple cases, okay, and one imaginary and one real solution is okay. Anyway, imaginary solution is only one. This equation has one imaginary solution. It is an unusual case. So let's start. At first, we consider multiple case. So we use discriminant for quadratic equation. Okay. So for example, this quadratic equation, this quadratic equation's discriminant is like this: b squared minus 4ac, and the solution x is written like this. Normal case is like this. Coefficients a and b and c are real numbers. In this case, discriminant if discriminant is 0, this equation has only one real solution. On the other hand, like this equation, coefficients has imaginary number. In this case, if discriminant is 0, this equation has only one solution, but the solution is sometimes real and sometimes imaginary. So after calculation, we have to check real or imaginary. Anyway, in this problem, it requires multiple cases. So we should consider at first like this idea, using like this idea. I already calculated and wrote. I wrote like this, okay? So if d is 0, k equals 7/4. And x, the solution x is written like this. In this case, discriminant is 0, so the answer is this. It is minus 3/2 I. I is square root of -1, okay? So in this case, in this problem and in this case, if d is 0, x has only one imaginary solution. So it is fit for the solution of this problem. So it is one of the answer. It can be the answer. Okay. Let's think next case. Next case, complex number is written like this: a plus bi. A and b are real numbers. A is real part, the bi is imaginary part, okay? So I already calculated this. And finally, I got this equation. This is real part and this is imaginary part. So real part is this and imaginary part is this. So when a complex number is 0, both real part and imaginary part is 0. Both they are 0. So finally we got this. And next, from this first formula, we got this. K is this and also written like this. And from the second formula, we got this. From this, we can get a equal minus 2 or b equal minus 3 over 2. But in this case, this is a case that discriminant is 0, so we are considering now one imaginary and one real case, okay? So that means one is real, so yes. So could be a equal minus is some, the possibility is a1 is minus 2 or a2 is minus 2. So first we'll check this case, a2 equal minus 2, okay? If a2 equal minus 2, b2 equals, so where this equation has this solution, so we can calculate it to this. Minus 2 or 0, 0. So if a equal minus 2 and b equal 0, k equal 4. So next we should calculate k equal, the case of k equal 4, okay? We got k equal 4. By the way, if k equal 4, if the condition that k equal 4, a equal minus 2, so that means one of the solution of x is minus 2. That means factorize to this. Okay? 2 plus 1. Yeah, okay. This. We got this. That means x equal real solution minus 2, and also imaginary solution minus 2 minus 3i. So it is fit for this problem, okay? This has one imaginary and one real solution. In this case, b equal minus 3, okay? So we can also check from this. Or if b equal minus 3, this part equals 0. And this case, this is minus 2 plus 0i. In this case, b equals 0. So b equals 0. So if b equals 0, in this case, this part is equal 0. So that means if b equals 0, and also if b equals minus 3, k has the same value. K has the same value. Both cases k equals this. So from this, it is kind of reasonable considering. So the answer is, we have to get k and the imaginary solution. So the answer is, if k equals 7 over 4, the imaginary solution is minus 2 minus 3 over 2i. This case is multiple solution case. And another answer is, if k equals 4, the imaginary solution is minus 2 minus 3i. In this case, this equation has also real solution minus 2. As for this, it is a case that the equation has one imaginary solution and one real solution. So these can be the solutions. These can be the solution of this problem. This is the answer. Okay? Anyway, this is the first time for me to explain in English. So I got tired. This problem's answer is this. Okay? Thank you. That's the end. Thank you. Bye.